since
There we go.
Alright, so this is the first time I'm driving this car. So I might...
So reverse all the way, and then you have to push against the spring. Because there's a spring, and then... Yeah. Yep. And then down. There you go.
So I might... are you videotaping me?
Yeah, we're filming.
So
you can edit it, so...
I might stall the car because I'm going backwards, and it's been a few years since I've driven a car with the clutch, and first time driving my Porsche, so I had to be extra careful. Oh boy. So why did I pay so much for a...
there you go. Yep.
Am I on the first gear?
Yeah, you're first. There you go.
First gear. Okay.
It's a bit steep.
I know
There you
people will be saying, "Oh my God, this guy's an idiot who's driving a Porsche for the first time." Okay, now I'm getting the hang of it. I need Okay, now I'm talking. Okay, so I had to get used to this clutch a little bit.
Yeah.
Other than that, wow. This is what it's like driving a Porsche. Especially a classic one, right? Yeah, actually it drives so good. Very responsive, I feel everything. Awesome. Just a little bit of difficult to get the gears, and I think I may be sitting a little too far for the clutch, so or the clutch maybe need to be adjusted. I feel like clutch is going to run away, but it's trying to put it into the reverse. I just want to put it in the fourth gear. Third. Yeah, the clutch is challenging. So I was able to downshift. Here, oops, almost. Okay, go straight.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, you're good.
Oh,
Oof. There we go.
now I'm in the gear. I know people who are watching this are going to say, "Oh my God, he's killing the car." Driving for the first time. Is there something is on? I feel like something is on.
What?
I hear like a indicator on.
Oh, the parking brake's not all the way down.
Okay.
That's the flashing light for the parking
okay.
brake. There's a relay that clicks.
Okay. Well, yeah, just a matter of getting used to this clutch and all the forks and